come across with your partner, maybe wife, maybe good time girlfriend or a call girl, you have to disclose the HIV status to a person with whom you are going to have a unprotected, with whom you are going to have a penetrative sex. Because if you disclose the status, probably the partner will disagree for the sex, but it is always better that every person should know the HIV status of the opposite person so that the risky things could be avoided. The best is to disclose and then use the proper lubricated condom to avoid the HIV acquisition.
How can I have safe sex?
Sex carries risk, so any penetrative sex is risky. Oral sex is less risky than the vaginal sex, and the vaginal sex is less risky than the anal sex. So the risk is always there. No sex, no risk. But I am sure that nobody on the earth will avoid having a sex when the opportunity arises. So it is better to follow the some good path, some controllable way to avoid acquiring HIV infection.
Should I take vitamins or supplements?
It's better to have a good diet and then the good sleep, exercise, green vegetables, balanced diet, and if the doctor recommends, then you take supplements and vitamins. Otherwise, taking single tablet antiretroviral therapy is our recommendation. And if you prescribe more of the drugs, patient may misunderstand and he may take multivitamin tablet rather than the ART tablet, and then the problem arises. So it is better that the single drug ART should be given, not the many drugs.
Can I drink alcohol?
Alcohol is to be avoided because I told you earlier also that the burden is falling on the liver of HIV, then ART, and then the alcohol. But if somebody is habitual or addicted, then in a mild to moderate quantity, once in a week, one can have a half 30 ml to 60 ml. It's okay. Otherwise, one should avoid.
Can I travel?
Yes, 100%. As I told you earlier, that the person who is HIV infected, he is on antiretroviral therapy, so he is like a near normal life. So he can travel, he can fly, he can jump, he can swim, everything and anything, whatever he likes, he can do it.
Can I exercise?
Yes, everything, whatever you like, you want to do it, you can do it as a normal person.
I am HIV positive and I am on HIV medication with my viral load under control. Can I have relationship with multiple partners?
Yes, you can have it, but with the protected sex, that is using a condom, because I am sure that you are not having a HIV virus which can be transmissible because you are on a antiretroviral therapy, but the opposite person, if is having a acute HIV syndrome where the viral load is high, you are going to reinfected with a different strains of HIV infection, that will be very difficult to treat. So don't be complacent that you are taking treatment, you are under control, so you are not going to transmit it. But you can acquire a HIV infection from the other person. So it is better to use always condom, neither to transmit nor to acquire a different strain of HIV.
I am HIV negative and my partner is HIV positive. Do I need to take any medication to avoid transmission of infection?
Yes, pre-exposure prophylaxis, that is a combination tablet is there. That is a tenofovir emtricitabine combination tablet. One 12 hours before sex and 12 hours after sex. That will probably prevent the acquisition of HIV infection. Nowadays, my message to all the people is that acquiring a HIV is not a big thing. It is now a chronic, manageable disease like a blood pressure, like a diabetes. The difference is there that for a treatment of blood pressure and diabetes is few rupees per day, and monitoring is few rupees and sometimes in 1 or 3 months. But treatment of HIV is little expensive. It is causing around 3,000 rupees per month if it is taken from a reputed combination. That is not a reputed combination, but it is a drug which is a single tablet, single pill which is available. It is costing around 3,000 rupees. If it is taken regularly, the patient can have a near normal life. And monitoring the patient for the efficacy of the drug, that is HIV monitoring, and the liver, kidney, lipid and metabolic disorders, if they are checked in time, then probably person will not succumb to this disease. That is the difference, that this therapy is little expensive and monitoring is little expensive, but after starting, if the therapy is discontinued, then it is unpardonable mistake. Then patient has to go on second line therapy, which will be again having a drug resistance test that costs around 20,000 rupees. Then second line therapy is costing 5 to 8,000 rupees, and then the subsequent therapies are very expensive. So my message to all of you is that getting a HIV infection is not a big thing. It is a sad that you have got it, but starting the therapy and continuing is a real aim of the person, and stopping it is unpardonable mistake. So I say, if you want to continue, once you want to start the therapy, you start the therapy, continue it, adhere to it, never ever stop it, and have a good lifestyle, exercise it regularly, take no alcohol, no tobacco, drugs monitoring is to be done. Thank you very much.